Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to clean and maintain your DREAME Roboticmover A1. So first we'll go into our application and go to device, and then these three dots in the top right corner. No, don't load. Okay, we need to wait for it to download. And I'll give you some light. Then click these three buttons, consumables and maintenance, and here you can see all the maintenance. So now, how to clean it? So first, take it off the charging dock, and we'll put the charging dock away for a couple of seconds now, because we don't need it. Now our robot. So to clean it, just clean this sensor right here. We flip it, and here, when we flipped it,
robot is tilted. Please put it back on level ground and verify your pin on the display.
Okay, I get it.
Robot is tilted. Please put it back on level ground and verify your pin on the display.
We need to take this thing off.
Put it back on level ground and verify your pin on the display.
Okay, thank you. So we took this thing off, because you should probably have it off right now. And to change the blades, just tilt this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you because you probably didn't see it. Once again, just wait. Put your finger under this and click upward, then take this thing off, and now you can remove the blade, switch it, click this and put it back on. Okay, so now we're putting, this thing on, because you don't need to put it, but as you can see, I'm not in a garden right now. I'm just inside of the building, so I don't want the blades on my desk. To clean the wheels, just take a hose and clean it. There's nothing else in this. We're going to flip it once again. And now click the stop button. And here take a microfiber and just clean this pulpit. And now we can put in our verification code. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.